In this video, I will show you how to see friends' Instagram activity. So right here, if you click on this heart icon here, you should be able to see your all of the activity that involves yourself. So on some cases, you can also see here some follow option as well as activity the person or people you follow. For example, this John Chui, Kang Ji, and Karen Jenner recently shared a new reel. You can see here their activity from these notifications that you have here. So if you actually see this, that means that this is your friend's Instagram activity. Another indicator of that is when you scroll onto your feed and you can see here some likes, you can see that this post right here is liked by Candy and million others. That means that your friend that you follow actually liked this particular post, and you can see it from here once it actually show on your Instagram feed. So that's the whole process. You have families with your help posts and to leave a like, note, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.